Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw Sachin Tendulkar and I'm going to draw him with color pencils. So I hope you like it. And friends, please watch this video till the end so that you can get that full satisfaction out of it. Friends, actually, if you are been here for quite some time, you guys are being for a long time. But if you've been for a quite long time, you might seen my lot of drawings, and you know that I have drawn a lot of graphite works rather than color pencils. I love graphite and charcoal a lot, but still I love color pencils too. So I just want to make some videos of color drawings and I just want to draw with colors, so I'm making it right now. And I think I have much time right now, and I just want to invest the whole time which I'm having to do a drawing, and I'm doing it right now. I hope you like it, my friends. So enjoy this video, friends. Friends, after watching this video, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, you might not know what are the contents we are having, go and see our playlist section. You can find a lot and keep working and get better at. That's it, friends. So enjoy this video. This is the drawing, friends. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to this channel, please click that subscribe button and along with that bell notifications and join with my lovely YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Bye.